on, my friends? My name is Kyle Solcar with Solcar Media, and today we're with what I think is the best G-Wagon literally ever built. Now, this is a Savage Edition 2017 G63 AMG. I'm going to show you some shots that I'm taking of it right now, but I just wanted to do a quick little overview of the vehicle and how awesome it is and all of the upgrades that make it look the way that it does. So with that being said, let's flip this around and take a closer look. Now, first things first, you're going to see everything is blacked out. Not only that, but you got these lights on the bottom as well as the updated front bumper, the blacked out grills and all that goodies. And you've got everything blacked out here, like the lights and the reflectors. You've got the light bar on the top, and then you've also got some radar jammers at the bottom. Coming over to the side, you've got some beautiful wheels with some ridiculously big tires that look absolutely incredible. Of course, you've got the standard AMG calipers on there. Come over here, you'll see that the exhaust is also blacked out. Not a detail missed on this thing. Then the taillights have a light tint on them as well. No tire cover. I think it looks much better like that. As you can see, this is a Savage 63. Coming over, get a quick little side profile of it. Looks incredible. Of course, we are in Chicago, Illinois, and that is the home of Savage. This vehicle has just been sold and is going off to its new owner in New York. Take a look inside. You'll see the custom Savage Edition steering wheel. You've got some Designo mats to match the Designo interior, and then you'll see the radar system up there as well. Steering wheel is absolutely beautiful, but what makes this car very, very special from a performance aspect is the upgraded suspension, as well as the upgraded turbos, the upgraded catless downpipes, the tune, and with everything conservatively is running about 600 horsepower, potential and capabilities to do 700 horsepower. So ridiculous vehicle. Absolutely love this thing. It is just one beast of an SUV. I don't know what else really competes with this. Now, Savage Edition is unveiling the 2019 first edition Savage builds, and those will be out soon, and we're going to be throwing those up. You'll see a video on my YouTube of the start of those being built. The first ones are just rolling out now, so this is the last of the previous generation. So this is kind of a final farewell to a beautiful build that took a lot of time to get perfectly dialed in to make sure everything works properly, looks amazing, and just flows the way that Mercedes designed it to. But this, I honestly, come on, that's perfect. I love it. So with that being said, thank you guys very much for checking it out with me. I just want to do a quick little walk around before this thing gets sold, because, you know, no one's ever going to be able to really touch it like this again unless the new owner has a YouTube channel. So that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching this. Please subscribe if you like content like this, anything automotive, business, lifestyle related. Leave a like down below. Leaving that would be amazing. If you want to do it, definitely do that. And I'll see you guys next time.